Hi guys. So the question was, these Poundland Magni ring things, could you replace the center plastic ring with the bearing out of one of these standard fidget spinners? So I've just pushed that one out of there. I've taken the plastic ring out of there. They are very close to the same. And if I just drop that in there, you'll see it is actually a loose fit in there. You could put a bit of tape around there, I suppose. But of course, because they're magnets, they do have an effect on the bearing. So that one spins all right, but if I put it in there, it doesn't spin very well, because the magnets are upsetting it. But I suppose it would spin. Obviously, if you put one of them inside of each of them, it will make it quite heavy. They're just a little bit big for that to be a convenient size, unless you've got big hands like me. But yeah, it sort of works, and with a bit of effort, you could make it fit better. I'll just shut that in. Sticks tight to those magnets, but yeah, it's just a little bit small. But I'll say a bit of tape around there. Whereas that, well, it's not a roller bearing. It is a bearing, and it does spin, but not. I was going to say not as well as that, but as soon as you put that in there, the magnets upset it. So. Yeah, obviously you need one more if you want to make that complete. So you'd need 3 sets to do that. Yeah, so that's the answer to the question. The gap is just a tiny bit bigger than your standard bearing, standard fidget spinner bearing. Thanks for asking. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.